Narendra Modi ulekran bat Menteri Rang Bado keri Italy Giuseppe Conte leng bag telefon. Narendra Modi ulapan pa we kejing ngolem na kabenta kejing do no ikejing embryo ha Italy na kadaw jong kaklam COVID-19. Ro ru ya kemensia mele balapan i dikinong song keri Italy ha pedang kene kaklam. Kini ki arngut kinong yalam kile kren ikilat badan kam ban kemi ekabede bat kejing kot jingkia bat kayo kokot ha kini ki arteli giri bat ha kaleng kepertai rukum jo. Kila penpau bagini ai kejing kersan ke mamar keliang bat kila ro ru kejing trailang jong kini ki arteli giri menerap iki beliau ke belas akut kini giri. Narendra Modi ule pentikna ya Giuseppe Conte bagi India kan ai kejing kersan keri Italy ha kaliang kejing penbiang iki dawai bat kiwe mar. Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma uliathu baya shispa prapwengut kibale kenduk markmat ikinong pang COVID-19 la tes biang bat nakini la syam ya iwei ibalayo ekene kejingpang bat dakane kibadon ekene kejingpang ha Kejela kilong arngut. Menteri Rang Ba uliathu baya kiwei kibale kenduk markmat ya ini ibala syam be ilong positif la syam mamakipat kimpat yo ekene kejingpang bat kidon hapo kejingpen kerpang ne ka quarantine. Uliathu bag sarkar jela ka khmi bha yakini uloong ba watla katkum ki kendon omdan kam bantas biang ye kebe kendo markhmat ikinong pang hendai ka sarkar pat kalapha tes yaki ye ini belasham belayo ekajing pang COVID-19 lapha shaka corona care center. Ka sarkar Meghalaya kalarai ban sya ban play berok kidukan hagi jaka baha papok ka green zone bat ansya ya sanpau nak shispa ki kali kamai bat ki kali jengki reu shimet ban yaj nado ka khatwei terek bunai jemang ya gene garai haga jingelang bala penlong hene kasngi la syem ha secretariat usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ba Preston Tensong uloong ba hakabede bat kenong ba Shillong bat ki jaka bamarjan ki bahap apo ka orange zone ka sarkar kelasya ban pliano ikidukan stationery bat kidukan shna kali rengkat bat kijing penjunsur baladep ban ai ndrei ulaban bai kini kijing penjunsur ompat ai kidukan hayodo bat polis bazar uloong baya ki deputy commissioner jangki distrik la bedha bakin kemi ikijing penjunsur bat iki kendon badai ban bot iki brio. Ketenat kokot kakia ke sarkar pedeng kaliathu ba khatnyo hajar praspa saupu nyut kinong pang COVID-19 kilakot kat haduk menta bat kajingdon ke bakot na kene kajingpang kalong arp kundai point kendai iwei nak shispa ha ki arp sau kenta balalet kendai pusangut ki priau kila klat no bat dakine kajingdon ke baklat akari India na kajingpang COVID-19 kalong shi hajar kendai spa prapuengut ha ki arpusau kenta belalet lai spa arpungut ki beriau ki leyok thamai kene kejingpang badda kini ka jingdon ki bayo kene kejingpang hakari kalong san pukandai hajar hendru spa andrupu arngut ki khubor na ketenat ka kot kakhia ki yathu ba ki bayo kene kejingpang bad ki badang em hadu menta ki don lai pukandai hajar praspa lai pusau ngut. Ha Meghalaya ka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Negrims kalabo skawe ka kor RT-PCR. Kamashwa ka Negrims kadan tangkawe ka kor RT-PCR kabala bantes kandai teli kinong muna ha kashisngi. Hadien pat labo sa arteli ki CV net machine ki bala bantes saupo teli kinong muna. Director ka Negrims Dr. DM Thapa uloong bada ka jingbo saya ka nikaway pat ka kor RT-PCR manta onla bantes sauspa sanpau teli kinong muna ha kashisngi. Uliatho baka Pasteur Institute kadon bat kadang shnai kilat banle ya ka test RT-PCR bat kadon ru ya ka tiar banle ya ka screening balatep kum ka trunat. Lengba kania lada kanu test kapan i badon kidak kishin jong jingpang COVID-19 haban pa shane grims ban pentikna ka hospital haturaru kadon ya katrunat ha Tripura ya lai pungut ki breo bakenthop ya arpusan ngut chispai BSF na ka 86th Battalion Headquarter ha Ambasa ha ga district Dhalai la syam biklayo e jingpang COVID-19 dakine ke jingdon ki bayo e jingpang COVID-19 ha ga jela Tripura kala kieu syaka shispa kan reungut arngut ki beliau nengkong kene ke jingpang ha Kejela kila kotno. Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Biplab Kumar Deb uloong ba ke sarkar kelale ya bon kites ya kinong muna ban pentikna beginong syongshnong Kejela kindon ha kejingsingan. Parlong nong snap leo ngomentan ki khubor bekerpang ha kabedai bat ka COVID-19 ya ke balawalam syapi da ke Regional News Unit jong ko All India Radio Shillong.
A very good evening, listeners. This is All India Radio Shillong, and we now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a telephonic conversation with his Italian counterpart, Giuseppe Conte. Mr. Modi conveyed his condolences for the loss of lives in Italy caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. He commended the fortitude shown by citizens of Italy during the crisis. The two leaders discussed the measures required to address the health and economic impact of the pandemic in their own countries as well as at a global level. They expressed solidarity with each other and appreciated the mutual cooperation extended towards each other's stranded nationals. Prime Minister Modi assured Conte of India's unstinted support to Italy in provision of essential medicines and other items. Health and Family Welfare Ministry said that 17,847 patients have been cured so far, and the recovery rate for COVID-19 reached to 29.91%. During the last 24 hours, 95 deaths have been reported, taking the nationwide toll to 1,981. A total of 3,320 new confirmed cases of novel coronavirus have been reported in the country during the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases to 59,662. Health Ministry data issued this morning said the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 39,834. The Chief Minister said that the primary contact of the new positive patients have tested negative but are under quarantine. He informed that state government was keeping a close watch on the primary contacts of the first COVID-19 patient who were under quarantine for all this while and had even listed few as high risk, and following that retesting was done of the 181 primary contacts and one tested positive. He added that although the protocols does not require to retest the primary high risk, the state government did so. To a query whether all the secondary contacts will be tested, the Chief Minister said that there are over 8,000 secondary contacts and that will be difficult. He, however, said that at the moment the government is concentrating at the high-risk primary contacts. He also said that 10 recovered will also not be retested as the new tests are accurate and there is no question of doing so. He further informed that the new patient had earlier tested negative and now the patient have been sent to Corona Care Center after testing positive. Acknowledging that the testing capacity of the state has improved considerably in the couple of days, the Chief Minister, however, said that the state government will not go for mass testing. In Meghalaya, the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, NEGRIMS, has installed one more RT-PCR machine. Earlier, NEGRIMS had one RT-PCR machine that could do 99 tests a day. Later, two CV-NET machines were installed which could do 40 tests, increasing the capacity to 136. NEGRIMS Director Dr. D.M. Thapa said, with the installation of new RT-PCR machine, the capacity will now increase to 450. He informed that the Pasteur Institute is also developing the RT-PCR facility and has TrueNat, a screening tool. Through this, if any test comes positive, they have to send it to NEGRIMS for confirmation. Tura Hospital also has TrueNat and they are developing the RT-PCR facility. Combining all of them, the testing capacity of the state will further increase, he added. Meghalaya government has decided to open all shops in areas falling under the green zone with 50% public and private transportation from May 11. This was decided in the review meeting held on Saturday at the State Secretariat. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the state government has decided to allow reopening of all shops in the green zones area from May 11th. He said that 50% private and 50% public transportation will also be allowed. Talking about Shillong agglomeration, which falls under the orange zone, the Deputy Chief Minister said that the state government has also decided to open stationery and automobile shops along with the already existing relaxation. He, however, said that this relaxation is not given to shops in Yodo or Bara Bazar and Police Bazar. He said that the respective deputy commissioners have been directed to manage the relaxation and protocols to be followed. Well, listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional news unit of All India Radio, Shillong.